So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, in this video we are having with us the latest updates regarding the launch cycle of the upcoming iPhones. Well guys, already we are getting lot of confusion regarding the launch of the iPhone 12 lineup. Well guys, first of all, let me make this thing clear that Apple will announce all of the 4 iPhones at one time only, but there will be delay in the shipments. Well guys, suppose Apple will launch all of the 4 iPhones in mid-October, then in the last week of October 2 iPhones will be available, and around 2nd or 3rd week of November the remaining 2 iPhones will be launched. Well guys, till today we were expecting that the first 2 available iPhones will be the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 and the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Max, and the iPhone 12 Pro lineup will come after a couple of weeks. But guys, according to the current information provided by Apple Insider, according to them, Apple will launch both of the 6.1-inch iPhones at the first place itself. So the iPhone 12 Max, which is going to be of 6.1 inches, and the iPhone 12 Pro, which is again going to be of 6.1 inches, will be launched together. And guys, the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 and the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max will be launched at the same time. Well guys, in simple words, Apple will unveil or Apple will introduce all of the 4 iPhones in the middle of October, and slowly and gradually with both of these batches they will roll out these iPhones in the public. Well guys, initially this particular launch pattern by Apple looks very much weird, but whenever you study this particular pattern carefully, then it makes lot of sense. Well guys, let me explain to you in simple words. Well guys, take example, there are the richer audiences which will every time buy the top of the line iPhone. So there are few particular professional people who will always opt for the iPhone 11 Pro Max lineup or the 12 Pro Max. So in short, they always want the top of the line smartphone, and there is the second audience which want the budget and alternative. Well guys, take example, there is a specific audience for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the iPhone 12, which is going to be of 5.4 inches, is going to be the most affordable iPhone, and millions of people will buy this smartphone. So in short, there is no problem regarding the sales of these 2 iPhones, but the question comes is regarding the 6.1 inches. Well guys, suppose if a person is planning to buy the iPhone 12 Pro, and if he sees that a similar kind of form factor is available for way less price tag, then he will opt for the iPhone 12 Max. So in short, Apple wants to provide the first option regarding the 6.1 inches so that the consumers can make their final decisions, and later on they can buy the desired device. So guys, with the help of this small video, I wanted to convey to you the new launch pattern of the upcoming iPhone. So guys, I hope that you have liked this small little video, and guys, if you want to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem and regarding smartphones, then definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.